Hi guys, a super quick video on about the DNO and what that stands for, Direct Network Operator. They're all over the UK. It's what we have to deal with when we're applying for the bigger systems and also when we're commissioning the smaller systems. Three things to remember when you're dealing with the DNO. One is they've got millions of houses, millions of factories, millions of businesses all pulling off them at the same time. They've got a really difficult job balancing the grid across multiple hundreds of transmission and distribution. If you want something really interesting to look at the heat maps when you're looking at the different DNOs that are all over the UK at the moment. Just for your reference, I've put a link in the description of all the different DNOs all over the UK, which will help you find them if you're struggling to kind of work out which one's for you. Then there's also not just that they do. They're also responsible for keeping the lines up and running. So they've got like multiple guys going out chopping down trees, keeping that grid live for us. So balancing it, keeping it out there, turning up to tap down if you've got problems, as I referred to in an earlier video. So they are trying to also get us ready for the green transition as well. So they're always looking for ways to strengthen those different areas. One thing that I'd give you is manage your clients' expectations when it comes to connecting up. So timescales, when it comes to talking about the project, when it comes to talking about how quickly you can complete, how quickly you can get your connection agreement. I'd always be saying 3 months. I'd be always be saying 3 months, just in case. Just in case. You don't want to be caught out by going, yeah, we can get you powered up, yeah, we can get you saving money by the summer, and you can't turn it on. There's one of the frictions that takes place in dealing with a solar company is how the different companies process. So some companies will sell the system, sell the idea, sell the dream, and then go and get DNO approval. Other solar companies will do it the other way around. They will get the DNO first, charge for a consultation up at the front end there. These are just two ways of schools of thought. There's not a right way and a wrong way. I personally believe that you should get it up front, just in case there's a limitation on there, because then you're going back and going, hey, this profile curve that we've said we're going to be able to hit this, you're going to be able to have 2 megawatts on this site, feeding back X or Y, paying back in year 5 or 7. You want to make sure that that's paying back in the right time scale. Hopefully that's been the DNO in under 3 minutes. That's Justin from Independent Solar Consultants, helping just bring some knowledge and wisdom to the industry. Hope that helps some of you guys understand the DNO a little better.